How to unfreeze Spaylater on Shopee. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can unfreeze Spaylater on Shopee. So without any delay, let's start with the video and go on with the process on unfreezing our Spaylater on Shopee. So in order to do that, first of all, download the Shopee application onto your device, and then you just need to log in into your account. After logging in into your account, you'll be able to see this interface, and on the bottom, you'll be able to find a bunch of options here. You just need to head over to the Me tab at the right side of the corner. At the bottom, just tap on Me tab and you'll be taken to next page where you can find a bunch of options, and you're just going to scroll down a bit until you are able to find account settings. After finding your account settings, you're just gonna go to the support section where you can find help center, community rules, and everything here. You're just gonna go to the help center. And here under customer services, you're going to chat with the people of the Shopee, the customer service of the Shopee, in order to unfreeze your account and contact them. For that, you just need to go to the chat section. For that, you just need to scroll down a bit until you are able to find the chat option. And you can see that the chat option is available from Delhi 7 a.m. to 1 a.m. So you can chat in between those times in order to get a quicker response with the Shopee customer service. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can contact with the customer care of the Shopee very easily. Just continue to chat with Shopee, and there tell about your problem, your concern, like how you want to unfreeze your Spaylater account. Just type in your problem there and type in I want to unfreeze my Spaylater account, and if your account is freezed, they will give you solutions, and they will also try helping you fix your issue of your account being freezed on Spaylater. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to unfreeze your Spaylater account very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.